Fonts are crucial in conveying the tone and personality of a design. Understanding the different types of fonts and how to use them effectively can greatly enhance your design skills. Let's explore the main categories of fonts and provide tips on combining them for visually appealing designs. There are two main types of fonts, serif and sans serif. Serif fonts have small decorative strokes, or serifs at the ends of letter strokes. They are traditionally associated with a more formal and classic look. Sans serif fonts lack these decorative strokes, resulting in a cleaner and more modern appearance. They are generally considered more casual, modern, and suitable for digital content. There are also a range of stylistic variations of fonts you can find in Studio, such as script fonts which mimic handwriting or calligraphy, ideal for invitations, greeting cards, or any design requiring a personal touch. Slab serif fonts are bold, heavy with serifs, conveying a strong and stable presence, effective for headlines and conveying a sense of solidity. There are also monospaced fonts where each character takes up the same horizontal space, commonly used for code and typewriter-style designs. Lastly, you will find display fonts designed for large headlines or titles, often with intricate and unique designs. Great for craft projects for their often bold, fun, and quirky characteristics. Here are some tips for combining fonts in your designs. Combine fonts with contrasting styles for visual interest. The shapes and details of the letters oppose each other and create visual tension. You can also contrast uppercase and lowercase, and different sizes as well as letter spacing. Use different fonts for headers, subheadings, and body text to create a clear visual hierarchy. Ensure a balanced look by considering the weight and size of fonts. A heavy font in one section may be balanced by a lighter font in another. Or consider pairing the same font together, but creating contrast with a mixture of boldness and sizes. Make sure to like and follow for more quick tips. Studio. Go beyond ordinary.